Hi guys, welcome to Off the 10th Beer Reviews. My name is Chris. We're in 4K. We've got some good color grading going on, I guess. Maybe. Today we're going to take a look at a beer. Yes, surprisingly, it is a beer review channel, so I'm going to do a beer. Alright, so today we're going to take a look at from Counterpart Brewing. This is Blender. It's a sour ale. This is one of many different variants that they do of this beer. They just change out the fruit and they add some more stuff into it and all that stuff. So this one is the sour ale with guava, apricot, lemon zest, vanilla, and lactose. This one's coming in at 5% alcohol by volume in a 473 milliliter can. The worst thing about this can right now is that it's a yellow can with the writing is like green and you can barely read it. I should have put my glasses on, but whatever, I didn't. I want to get into this beer. I just got out of work and I am thirsty. All right, so let's join the club. Let that settle for a minute. Yeah, so September's coming up. That means my beer drinking days are going to be numbered, probably just for weekends and stuff like that. Just because I like to do a little bit of a dry beer month, and I usually do that in September. But I've got a whole bunch of coolers and stuff like that, especially the stuff that Dan sent me. That's going to go up online. Plus, I'm going to keep drinking and probably keep a little bit of a backlog going for beer reviews also during the month of September. So I'll just keep drinking now like crazy and then drop some more beer reviews in September. Okay, this beer is not moving right now. I poured off with about 12 fingers ahead on it. It is a nice looking sour ale. It is a hazy, little bit of Dirty Glass Mafia on there, but it's hazy. It's coming off just like you see it right there. It's coming off nice and bright orange on there. Yeah, let's take a smell. Oh. Yeah, apricot big time on this one. And the lemon zest is, of course, coming through. Oh, this smells good. I know there's vanilla and lactose in here, but my God, that smells so good. The guava's coming through too, but right now all I'm picking up is that apricot and that lemon zest and a little bit of vanilla. Yeah, let's pour a little bit more in here. Try to get into this beer. Head is nice on that one, big cloud-like head. Let's try to get through this beer. See, this is why I normally don't hard pour it. I don't want to wait. I just want to drink it. But whatever, it is what it is. Wow, that's a tart and crusher of a beer. Good tartness right back here, hits you right behind the jaw, and it hits you nice and hard too. Not puckering, but enough of a jolt of tartness to go, wow, that's really hit the senses. And as I'm still talking, I can still feel it back here. It's nice. 5%. Obviously you can't tell. And I know for sure that this beer would be a summer outside in the hot weather, crushing all day long with this beer. Only problem is, if you drink too many of these, I can already tell that this would probably, if you're sensitive to heartburn, this will probably give you a little bit of a heartburn attack after about the third or fourth beer. Body in this beer is surprisingly nice for 5%. It's under medium, but it's not very light bodied. It's actually pretty good for what I thought. Actually, I did think it was going to be like this just by the look of it and just by all the chemicals and ingredients and everything that's in it. There might be a little bit, maybe some oats in this. I'm not too sure, but probably brought up the body a little bit. And the lactose would probably definitely bring up the body as well. Taste on this one. What I got on the nose is exactly what you're getting on the taste, which is nice. It's nice to know that the can was right. And I'm happy about that. The thing is, I wasn't getting much guava on the scent, but I'm really picking it up in the taste. And it's actually I'm picking up more of the guava on the taste than I am with the apricot. The guava is taking over a little bit. The lemon zest is there. It's got that bitterness right at the very end, and that's definitely coming from the lemon zest for sure. And a little bit of it's like a semi-dry, almost full-on dry finish. It's kind of in between there. It's nice. Keeps you going back in for more, which is probably their intention, and which I am about to do right now. Let's go right back into it. The vanilla is there. Hint of vanilla, not overpowering. People who don't like vanilla in their beers are crazy, but some people don't. And it has a hint of vanilla, nothing overbearing or anything like that. This beer is actually letting the fruit come through, as opposed to the sweetness with the lactose and the vanilla. This is actually really nice, and I'm gonna have to score this one. So from Counterpart Brewing in my backyard, we got Blender. This is the sour ale with the guava, apricot, lemon zest, vanilla, and lactose. I can't believe I actually had to read that again with that green writing. Straight up score, I like it. I would definitely buy this one again. I think I'm going to score this one a straight up 8 out of 10. I really like this beer. And I really like it now because it's 31 degrees Celsius outside. Went through a fucking hour of traffic on my way home, and I really wanted a beer. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and stay tuned for the next video. So cheers. Peace out. Bye-bye, guys.